Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the new session. I hope you started working with the previous session sums. Today we are going to continue the multiplication with a little. So question may be asked in fractions with multiplication in this way also. What is that another way we are going to see? First one, how to multiply fractions. So this is the continuation for the previous session. Please listen carefully. For example, if the question is given 2 1 by 2 of 4 1 by 5. This is the question. So here of means what? So of means here you have to multiply. What you need to do? Multiply. In earlier sessions we have learned how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Here both the fractions given are mixed. So our first step is convert both the mixed fractions into improper. Now 2 1 by 2 convert into mixed. We know the formula whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. So 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. And the next one 4 into 5 plus 1 by 5, which is 4 into 5 is 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. We have simplified the formula, simplified the fractions. That is our first step we have done. Now come on to the next step. 5 by 2 of means what I said here? Into 21 by 5. So here you can do cancellation as I said. One numerator, one denominator you can cancel, or like this cross also one numerator, one denominator you can cancel, but be very careful, never try to cancel both the numerators, both the denominators with single table. Now 5 and 5, I think you can cancel by using 5 table, 5 ones are 5 ones are. Now 21 and 2, can you cancel? No. So multiply both the numerators, 1 into 21, 21 and 2 into 1, 2. So, both the numerators, both the denominators, when you multiply, your final answer is going to be 21 by 2. You can convert this again into mixed fraction by using earlier session sums, what we have done, 21 divided with 2. 2 table, when will you get nearest to 21? 2 tens are 20 and the remainder 1 by 2. This is our final answer. Now we are going to learn about multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse means if any fraction is given like 2 by 3 or 4 by 5, any fraction. Inverse means just reverse. Numerator you have to write as denominator and denominator you need to write as numerator. Here what is numerator? 2. Now in our answer this 2 will become the denominator and denominator 3 will become the numerator. This is the multiplicative inverse of this one. Now 4 by 5. What is multiplicative inverse? Write the numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator 5 by 4. So multiplicative inverse is nothing but reversing the given fraction. Okay, reversing the given fraction, that numerator will write as denominator and denominator we will write as numerator. And this one, when can we say two numbers are multiplicative inverse of each other is when their product is 1. For example, when you multiply these two, 2 by 3 and its multiplicative inverse 3 by 2. When you multiply these two with each other, 3 you can cancel, 2 you can cancel. So overall your answer will become 1. So now you can say these two fractions are called multiplicative inverse of each. Okay, when their product is 1, we can call them as multiplicative inverse of each. Division with fractions. So generally we know how to divide the whole numbers, but it is special in fractions. How to divide two fractions, or a whole number with a fraction, or like two mixed fractions. These are all what all the operations we have done with the fractions like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now even division also you can do with the fraction. So first of all we know the facts with the division. That is, when you divide any number with the same number, your result is going to be 1. And when you divide any fraction or any number with 0, can you divide with 0? No. So, 0 when you divide with any number or any fraction, your result is going to be 0. Now, here, if only two fractions are given, how to find the division? How to divide both the fractions we are going to see. First one, the question is 6 by 7 divided by 42 by 49. This is the question. Now, here first fraction is called the dividend fraction, isn't it? Even in regular division also, the first number is called the dividend and the next number is called the divisor. So here also the first fraction remains the same, which is dividend 6 by 7. The magic happens with the next fraction. Now the symbol division will turn into multiplication symbol. Here division symbol will turn into multiplication symbol, and the next fraction you need to write the multiplicative inverse, which is also called the reciprocal. So 42 by 49 now here becomes the 49 by 42. Now you can do cancellation. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. Now 6 ones are 6 sevens are. Right? Now 1 1. Your total answer is 1. This is how you need to calculate the divisions. Or for example, if the question is given to divide a whole number with a fraction. For example, 63 divided by 9 by 7. Now how will you divide a whole number with a fraction? See, 63 remains the same because this is the dividend fraction. Into, now division symbol changes into multiplication symbol. Now write 7 by 9. Then this is a whole number, this is a fraction. In before sessions we have learned how to convert a whole number into a fraction. So write 1 in the denominator for the whole number. Now it too has become the fraction. Now this numerator and this denominator I think you can cancel. 9 ones are 9 sevens are. Now multiply both the numerators and both the denominators. 7 sevens are 49 by 1. Whether you write 1 or not, its value is going to be 49. This is how you have to divide a whole number with a fraction. Yeah. Now if two mixed fractions are given like this, 3 1 by 4 divided by 1 1 by 8. How to divide these two fractions? As we know how to convert the mixed fraction into improper, like that using the formula convert this 3 into 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 13 by 4, and 1 into 8 plus 1 by 8, which is 9 by 8. By using these two, you can divide now 13 by 4 divide with 9 by 8. So this is the dividend fraction. 13 by 4 will not change into. Write the multiplicative inverse of 9 by 8, which is 8 by 9. Now with 4 table you can cancel 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Can you cancel 13 and 9 or 2 and 9? You cannot cancel. So multiply both the numerators. 13 twos are 26, 1 nines are 9. This also if you want you can convert into mixed fraction, which is 9 2s are 18. So what will be the remainder? 26 divided with 9. You forgot, all of you? 8 will be remainder. 2 8 by 9. This is going to be our final answer. This is how you need to calculate by dividing two mixed fractions. So dividing fractions is very simple and easy. You will be enjoying by doing this. So I hope you all understood today's session. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please leave your doubts in the comment section. I try to solve it. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.